I'm going that way.
Hey, what happened?
Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Clear left and clear right.
Hello there.
Yeah, go ahead. Alright, thanks.
I'm so excited.
Take care.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll actually just leave the engine running in case I need to bail out. Blah 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 blah.
Bond. James Bond.
Oh, that's just sweet.
Hello.
No, that's M. That's an M car.
Driver alert. Obstruction ahead. Reduce speed now.
Okay. That was very quiet.
Ed, make my day.
Clear right and clear left. It's that simple. Here we go.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Here we go. Whoa! That was iPhone repaired. What do you reckon it is? £90? Woo-hoo-hoo! Did you feel that?
120 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
No grip! I don't even know whether this could even possibly work. That was a back end of an XT sliding. If it works, I will be impressed. Oh. I don't have long either. Could have a car coming. One more photo. That's cool. Ugh.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Ouch! This stuff is fucking slippery. Oh god, there's no grip.
I'll be back.
Get ready for this one. Yeah!
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go! We came out of it alive! Let's just go. Let's see where this road goes. I have no idea where this road goes.
Shit just got real.
Could go somewhere interesting. Another lane! Another lane! Haha! Gravel! Gravel bitches! Oh wow. People live out here in these parts. And I don't know how. Oh wow. Oh wow.
All those moments will be lost in time. Like tears in rain.
Hopefully the XT's full of fuel, so I will just keep going.
120 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
I might make it, or I might not make it. Oh yeah, I'm going into ruts now. Oh yeah, a bit of ruts. A bit of ratties. A bit of ratties. Oh yeah. No one uses this road at all. I wonder why. There's always a reason. I'm probably about to find out. Big rocks. Alright. Keep your pace, keep your pace, keep your pace. But as a professional, oh my bloody god! There are some rather nice houses out here.
Wow.
Look at that shit. That's got a great big gate and everything. What the fuck? Bug's trying to get into me. Bugs are trying to bite me and shit.
You've got to ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
God, this area is clearly hostile. It's clearly had a nuclear attack. And there are bugs of radiation and they're super angry with everybody in the world. Wow. I'm going into proper gravel as well. Oh, small cum farm? Nah, let's keep going. Let's keep going, because we can. Right, this is going into a farm. I think it's actually going into a farm. I'm not quite sure. Fuck me, bud! Does this road actually go somewhere? Oh, it does. Oh, fuck me. No. Oh, yeah! Actually does. Look at these old houses and pink colours and shit.
Cool. Very cool.
I don't know where I'm going. I'm going cross country here. No way! Nothing ventured, nothing gained.
You're goddamn right.
As a wise man once said. Where's civilization? Where is civilization? Anyone gonna tell me where civilization is? I haven't seen it for fucking miles. Ah, crap! Wow. This road just goes to a farm. In the middle of nowhere with an old chunky. Yeah, this road clearly just doesn't go anywhere apart from farms. Now I know! Great, let's get out of here for the locals. Get a pitchfork and go, oh, what are you doing here, Mullet?
Here's Johnny.
You're minding your own business. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You're like, exploring? The internet, you and me would say, is remotely, fast. Up out here. Oh.
Houston, we have a problem.
Oh. Shit. There's the farmer. Let's see. I reckon I could get you up here. Get up here, baby. Right now. Whoa. Woohoo! He looked at me like, you shouldn't be here. You can see the fans coming on the engine, on the radiator. So just keep it cool and just not making that much progress on the XT here. Think about it though, at some point in our lives, our ancestors, our bloodline, this is where they lived. Oh wow, an old 205! That's the last car they ever bought and ever will. I mean, it's actually pretty bad out here.
Hello there.
I can get down there. Thank you very much. Yeah, natural point that you don't have a choice. Thank you very much. What do you do when all hell's breaking loose? Yeah. Ow! You little bug. You little tree. You little whatever the fuck you are! I now know where this particular road actually ends up in. That's the truth. God, this thing is so good on fuel. You can just keep going and exploring for as long as you like. Make sure you got a full tank and you can explore for donkey miles.
Wow.
know where this road will end up though. Hello, little dog. Oh, right, goose. Hello, little goose. Wow, someone lives there. Christ. You saw my reaction, I'm like, Christ. You really want to live over there? And people live up here. And then I'm back to sleepy town.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And